Motivational Millennial Millionaire. Motivational Millennial Millionaire.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andrew Savage, aka the Motivational Millennial Millionaire, back at it again with another video. Just looking forward to some downtime while we having this hurricane going on. So I decided to go ahead and crack out a couple of videos. There's a couple of things I've been wanting to talk about lately. Dealing with auto loans or becoming a homeowner or obtaining a mortgage loan. Just some simple things in life that we all need to learn about. And I just kind of wanted to make some quick 3-minute videos, basically just going through the process of how to obtain these certain type of loans. It's not going to be nothing too in-depth, but I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to obtain these things. Stick with me. So 9 times out of 10, a credit union is going to have better interest rates than a regular bank like a Wells Fargo or a Bank of America. Normally, a credit union is normally supposed to be for like that town or for that city, whereas most big banks actually are corporate owned, so they have to go by corporate rules and they have like national rules and regulations that they have to abide by. Once you have selected a financial institute, the next step is to actually go and apply. Now you can apply online or you can apply in person. Me personally, I'd rather go in person. When you deal with a credit union, it's more like a family. So for them to be able to put a face with the name and application is normally a lot smoother transaction. Now, there are a couple of things that you're going to need before you actually go up to the financial institute that you have chosen. The first thing is a copy of your last year's tax return. They're also going to like 2 check stubs. And if you have a recent copy of your credit report, that's good to bring. But 9 times out of 10, they're going to run it anyway. But those are the 3 main things that you're going to need. Every bank is different, but most banks require at least those 3 things. And then from there, if there's anything else that you would need, they will let you know. One last thing I want to let you guys know before I leave you. Every bank is different. So every bank requirements can be different as well. Some may say they want you to have a 560. Some may say they want you to have a 580. Some may say they want you to have a 620. It just depends on what that bank wants at that time. Now they also may look at your past history to see if you have, any loans that you haven't paid or any delinquent, files or whatnot. But as long as you check with the actual bank and you better report them, a lot of times they can bend the rules for you, but you just have to reach out to them and just kind of have that relationship with them. So it's always good to keep your accounts within good standings and just make sure that when you go in, you're being friendly. Make sure that you're speaking to people because people will break the rules for somebody who they like, and that's just facts. So make sure once again when you do go to apply for the loan that you're going in prepared, that you're dressed neatly, you're well mannered because those small things can go a long way. Thank you guys so much for taking out the time to watch my video. If you like what you saw, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So instead of staying at my house for the storm, I decided to come with my parents. And anybody who knows me, who knows my parents, knows that my dad is a big jokester, right? So I made this whole video, and when I got done, I was editing it, and I was looking, and I saw the spider in the background. So I just want to make sure you guys know, no, we don't have bugs. My dad is a jokester, so he has a spider on a fake spider on a rope, so to scare people. But that's just my dad if you know him. So once again, it's just a joke. We don't have bugs, it's just a joke. So just wanted to let you guys know that. All right, thank you.